Primary school children in Malakal town took the street back up striking teacher, demanding salary arrears. The government of Upper Nile State has started partial payment of salary arrear to primary school teacher following 2 weeks of strike that disrupt learning in state capitals. The payment salary arrear for the teaching staff comes up to 100 pupils staged a peaceful demonstration in the street of Malakal Thursday in a show of support. The State Information Minister Luke Sadala confirmed on Friday the government formed a committee to address the teachers' grievance after the demonstrations. Sadala said the result is that teachers are paid promptly, with the Minister of Education start implementing yesterday. According to the committee information, they have resolved the problem and start clearing the 2-month salaries. They were demanding a 4-month salaries, but the 2 months have not yet reached here in Juba. So this is their demand. That is why they staged a peaceful protest, he told. 2 weeks ago, primary school teacher demanding salary payment refused to get to work, resulting in the disruption of the class across the state capitals. After the strike, 100 agitated school children from 5 schools partook in demonstration to beg the teachers and coerce the government to pay their due. Meanwhile, the teacher only referred to us Peter from John Garing Primary School in Malakal town confirmed to us that he was among those who received the 2-month salaries. It is true, let me tell you. All the detail yesterday, we were protesting because of our right. Our right have been revised by the minister because those who were not in the field were the people who took the money, he said. However, Peter said they are only paid 2 months salary and that they have not signed for the month of May and June respectively. It was 3 months, but they paid 2 months. So yesterday all they did was just give the money to those names in the pay sheets.